Hi everyone, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Jill.
And welcome back to another Discovery Museum DIY video. Today, we're going to be talking about forces. Now, you guys might have heard about forces in your everyday life, but what is actually a force? Do you know?
I do. So a force is a push or a pull.
Now, forces occur in our everyday lives, and there's a lot of people out there who study them. One man in particular is quite well known for it, and that's Sir Isaac Newton. He came up with the laws of motion, which are all about how forces make things move. Today's video is all about that first law of motion, which is
inertia.
Excellent. So inertia, I had to quiz Miss Jill over here. Inertia states that an object at rest
Stays at rest.
Okay, and when something is in motion, it will
stay in motion.
At least until another force acts upon it. Now, you might have seen inertia in action in your everyday lives. Maybe some of you have seen that really cool trick where someone has a tablecloth laid out and a lot of plates and things on top, and they yank that away and the plates don't move. That's inertia. Looks a little bit like this. Nice.
It wanted to stay in motion.
It did. All right. So we just happen to have two bowls stacked together with a piece of cardboard in between. Now I'm going to remove this middle one out of the way. You'll notice because this top bowl is resting, it's going to want to stay where it is. It's not going to want to shift with the piece of cardboard.
It wants to stay at rest, so please remember that.
Now you'll notice it did drop down. That's just because another force started to act upon it when I got rid of the cardboard. Gravity.
Gravity pulled the bowl down towards the ground.
All right. Now, you can do this at home, but mom or dad might not be happy if you use their own bowls, so we're going to go with something a little less breakable today. You can use pennies. What you're going to want to do is stack the pennies up in a tower. We have a tower we prepared earlier today. And you'll need some sort of card. It can be an old business card or a playing card, just something slightly thicker and stiffer than your average piece of paper. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to very quickly try to hit the bottom penny out from underneath the tower. And it has to be quick, because what you don't want is for the whole tower to fall down. You just want the bottom penny to shoot out to the side. All right, you guys can attempt to see how big of a tower you can build and how many you can knock out of the way at a time. Until eventually the tower goes down. Or you can try different coins. We're using pennies, but you guys might want to try nickels, dimes, quarters, whatever you think will get the most interesting result.
See how that affects your experiment.
All right. Well, we're going to sign off here, but stay tuned. We're going to put out a few more videos about forces in the upcoming weeks. Bye.
Bye.